guys, I'm here today to show you this absolutely beautifully presented 4-bedroom townhouse over on Ellesmere Green in Monton. So as you can see from the front, we have got garage access and parking. Now as we head on through to the entrance hallway, you'll find access to the garage through the door on the left. Have a downstairs toilet with a shower. You'll find the first bedroom on the ground floor, which is currently used as an office, but could be used as another bedroom. Would fit a double bed in here. Does look out onto the garden. And then as we head on through to the back, you'll find the utility space, houses the boiler, loads of room for storage, and through to the back garden. Not overlooked, really nice and peaceful out here. Got your double doors there into the office space. Now as we head on upstairs, you'll find the lounge and the kitchen diner to the first floor. And to the top floor, you'll find the 3 other bedrooms. So here we have the lounge with the French windows overlooking the garden. Really good space, beautifully presented again. Loads of natural light flooding through. Just overlooking the garden there. Here we've got the kitchen diner. Again, a really good space. Big floor to ceiling windows, letting loads of natural light in. Gas hob and oven. Space for a large fridge freezer. Really modern in here. Loads of space for a dining table as well, be a great entertaining space. And the floor to ceiling windows there. Now as we head up to the top floor, we've got the 3 other bedrooms and a family bathroom. So here we have the smallest of the 3. Again, still a really good space. Loads of space for a bed and extra furniture. And then have the second bedroom here. Really good sized double bedroom. Overlooking the garden. Again, space for a double bed and extra furniture. We've got the family bathroom here, which does have a bath. Really modern. Great space for family. And the master bedroom with an ensuite. Space for wardrobes. Really good sized bedroom. And the ensuite with a shower and storage. As I mentioned, this property is beautifully presented throughout, ready to pick up your stuff and move straight in. If you would like a viewing on the property, please give us a call and we'll get you booked in. Thank you.